These are all the birds that are in our backyard. Yeah, look at all this. They're all in our backyard after the bread. That's the reason they're cold. Oh, there they go. There they all are. They're all around the post. It's the bird attack. Now will be posted on YouTube. Please rate and comment. And this is our backyard. See, it's snowed here, and up there's Biscuit's footprints. Let's get an interview with our dog. Biscuit, what do you think of YouTube?
The bread's gone. Okay, break some more.
Time to break some more bread. We'll have some more birds to watch. Please be patient. Okay, YouTube? Let's show you one of our dog's tricks. Biscuit, beg. Beg, come on. See? He can beg. It's astounding. He begs for popcorn all the time. Say hi to the YouTubers, Biscuit. And that's what I thought he'd say. Our mom is in the backyard giving them bread. Please be patient. I said that already. There's a plant, computer, which we upload our videos to YouTube. Our calendar. And you see I am uploading a chili show right now.
Yeah.
Now they're going to be back. Yeah.
Finish the dishes. Get ready to record.
Oh, it uploaded. The chili show uploaded. Let's watch the bird attack. Please stand still. You can fast forward this part if you want to. See this bread right there. There they go. We'll start surrounding our house. And our outside doggies will start to bark. Well, hopefully not. It looks like a bird flew off. Oh, there they come. It's the bird attack. This is amazing. Please ignore the TV noise in the background. Looks like they're all over there. See those black dots? Those are the birds. Here they come. Here they go. Get ready. Okay. They're everywhere. I wonder why they're not coming. Well, see, it's snowing a little bit. Alright, they're in the trees. Here, I better step back a little bit. Well, they're everywhere, but maybe they're full of eating that last bread we gave them. Oh, there they are. They're gathering all over the place behind that fence. Probably hundreds of them. There they come. It's amazing. Here they all come. Flying in from everywhere and getting as much stuff as they can. This is a unique moment. It's really hard for them to find food over here in the winter, so we decided to feed them. God's creatures are amazing. And this has been a video of the bird attack. They surround the fences and the posts, spreading the word. It's amazing. And they're still looking for food. This has been the bird attack. Biscuit, what is your thought of the bird attack? Wag that tail if you think it's a good video. Or eat your food. Oh well. This has been the bird attack.